Bam. Got him out. Got him. Got him. Got him. Here's the chakram. Punish. Punish. 100-0. 100-0. Oh, he bubbled. That's smart. Get out. Get out. Run. Yeah. You think I'm gonna get nailed for that? No. He's so stupid. He's so stupid. I'm not dumb either. Trapping him full. Go. Locked him. Dinged it. Got him. Run. No. Every time. Come on. This guy's bad though. I don't think I might have it. Problem is I don't have a. Oh, he's backpedaling. He's backpedaling. If I lose this, it's all over. It's gonna be all over, baby. Look at this guy. Come to Papa. Come to Papa. Yeah, come in. I'll see you, pal. Enjoy it. I'm invis. Look at this retard. He is so bad, this guy. Yeah, you wanna feel it? Yeah, look at him on the horse. Horsey? Look at this guy. I am gonna put him in the whole hundo to 0. Right here, baby. $100-0. Watch this. Boom! Boom! What you did? Let's go to the record for skin. This guy's backpedaling.